Welcome back to the channel, folks. Today we're diving into a rather peculiar problem that our viewer encountered. They were experiencing unusually high CPU usage while using web browsers, specifically Chrome-based browsers and Firefox. Even with extensions disabled, their CPU was clocking in at over 70% when loading client-side rendering apps. On top of that, parts of the screen would go black while watching YouTube. Quite a conundrum, huh? They even suspected crypto mining malware because of how out of the ordinary the situation was. Our viewer was running an Intel i5-4590 on Windows 11, which unfortunately doesn't fully support their CPU. It's a real head-scratcher. Now, onto the solution. Our viewer discovered that they had set their refresh rate to a whopping 360 Hz and completely forgotten to dial it back down to the standard 60 Hz. Can you believe it? Such a simple setting wreaking havoc on their browsing experience. Surprisingly, this adjustment only seemed to affect web browsers and not any other applications. Funny how something so seemingly minor could cause such chaos, right? Solution in sight. As mentioned earlier, the fix was as straightforward as adjusting the refresh rate back to 60 Hz. It's truly intriguing how a setting primarily related to display output could impact CPU usage and screen anomalies within web browsers. Technology can be quite the enigma sometimes. In summary, our viewer's CPU woes and screen woes were all due to a refresh rate setting that had gone rogue at 360 Hz. After setting it back to 60 Hz, peace was restored in the digital realm. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to subscribe for more tech tips. Like this video if it helped you out, and drop a comment below with your own tech mysteries. Until next time, stay curious and tech savvy.